Long time no upload. Pasensya na at medyo natagalan ng part 3. Pero anyway, at eto na nga, nandito na tayo. And guess where? Dito sa Changi Airport Terminal 3. And we're on a mission to find affordable yet delicious brunch spots dito. Since we have plenty of time to spare at gusto pa naming ma-practice ang paglalakad, tara, samahan nyo kami. Pero bago yan, paano ba kami nakapunta sa Terminal 3? We decided to take a walk from Terminal 2 to Terminal 3. Medyo mahaba siya, pero kayang-kaya kung gusto mong makita ang ibang mga sites ng Changi. You can walk through Changi Linkway that connects Terminal 2 to Terminal 3. Mga 10 minutes lang ang lakad at madali lang sundan dahil sa mga well-signed posted. Pagdating mo sa Terminal 3, sundan lang ang signs papunta sa Basement 1, kung saan matatagpuan ang Food Republic Food Court. So ayun, nag-decide kami kumain ng Japanese cuisine and noodles kasi craving kami ng hot soup. Hindi ko na nakuhaan yung iba kasi gutom na talaga kami. By the way, kahit saan sa Singapore, strictly nila pinapatupad ang CLAYGO or Clean as you go. After naming magpakabusog, nagpahinga lang kami saglit sa food court. And then, decided to visit the slide sa Terminal 3. Located pala ito sa Basement 2 level. Part siya ng airport's entertainment zone. So, madali lang siyang mahanap. Hindi lang pala basta ito slide ha. Ito yung tallest airport slide sa Singapore. Super fun siya at talagang makakapag-add ng excitement sa travel experience mo. Pakibasa na lang sa comment section ang details if you want to experience the slide. After nun, naglakad na kami papunta sa link ng Jewel Changi para makipagkita sa rest of the family. Pero syempre, hindi namin pinalampas ang transition entry ng mga bata. Go. Again. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay. At syempre, in-enjoy lang namin ang iba pang mga sightseeing dito na makikita sa Airport Terminal 3 kung saan makikita mo ang link papunta sa Jewel Changi Airport. Napakaganda talaga ng airport nila at sobrang nag-enjoy ang mga bata. Hello guys, how are you to find out if you're gonna be prisuhan? Sino? Bigat pala ng bag mo na? Yeah. I've never been actually.
What are your thoughts about Singapore?
To go, dear. To go.
What is the SkyTrain? On. That's one. Where? That's one? Oh.
Yoo-hoo!
What are your thoughts about Singapore?
It's very clean. I love it.
What are your thoughts about Singapore? Oh, the travelator, the travelator.
What?
What are your thoughts? What are your thoughts about Singapore?
It's very Claygo.
Okay. You're gonna be added in a YouTube video. If you want, I can censor. Treadmill. Hi, Titan, treadmill.
Hello guys. So hello mga kaling, mga ka-BFF. So now we're entering Jewel Changi Airport.
Let's go. You know.
The attractions in Jewel Changi. Yeah. So later you're gonna see that.
Okay.
Those, let's go.
Are you excited?
Yes!
About to come?
Look at my Wow.
Oh.
That's the one on the left. Is that? So here, as you can see that dome, that's the
Oh no, my fingers!
airport terminal. Yeah, and we're so excited to see the
Inside.
HSBC vortex and the attractions there. Yeah. Later. No, we're gonna go now.
No. What a feeling! Okay, so now we're gonna.
So now, we're about to enter the dome where the, the well-known HSBC vortex is located, Yeah, and it says, what a feeling, sorry.
Oh my gosh. It's so big.
Ed, look at the statue.
Yeah, I know. This one? Wait, which one's this? Oh, that's a sky train. What a feeling. 5. Oh, you can see the waterfall already. Whoa. Oh, wow. Wow. What do you think about it?
Wow, this is so amazing.
This way to Sligo Forest Valley.
Wow.
Wow. Kita, search ang video. I wanna go there. Let's go swimming na, Ethan. Yes! Let's swim there daw.
Ano ba tayo?
Okay. I think I saw Daddy there.
Where?
When they call, what he called?
Saan si Daddy?
I think there when they call. Wait lang.
Sabi mo, saan tayo makikita?
Up next, part 4 ng day 1 ng aming Singapore getaway. Magpapakasaya tayo at i-appreciate ang ganda ng Jiwo Changi Airport Terminal 1 at enjoy ang mga attractions dito. Abangan!